Good morning, student. Today we are going to start revision or of chapter number 11, that is marketing management. First of all, we have to look at its meaning. It refers to the process of under which valuable goods and services are created, offered, and by doing transaction independently, the need are satisfied. There are some features of marketing management. The first is need and want. That means you can only market those articles or the things which is the need of an individual and the want of that individual. And it is a creating market offer. That means it can be offered in market for sale, and there is a complete demand also. That means customer value, that product is needed by the customer. Valuable for the customer. Complete exchange mechanism also. Exchange mechanism, that is they both can interact with each other and share the things with money. Next is their basis. Then traditional view is that it refers to a particular place where buyer and seller meet each other and conduct buying and selling activities. Traditional approach is that. But now it refers to a group of the actual and potential buyer of goods and services. Now buyer is aware, he can make some research before buying any goods and make any transaction for it. The question arises now, who is a marketer? Marketer is any person who takes more active part in the process of exchange. Now there is some functions of marketing. The marketing function arises from gathering and analysis of market information. They look after that how much how much the product is needed by the society or in a market, so that he can produce the product according to the demand. Marketing planning must be there, how to sell the product, because a mobile company is also, before launching any asset, they have to take a proper investigation about the market, which time is better for launching the product. Product design and development. The design of the product has been decided according to the convenience of the customer, and standardization and grading of the product. Standardized, that means predetermined standard will be maintained for making the product, and grading, that means when the product is graded in a different version. That means अगर आप कार का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं तो कार का सबसे पहले बेसिक मॉडल आता है, देन VXI, देन LXI, फिर डीजल, पेट्रोल. तो ये ग्रेडिंग सिस्टम होते हैं जब एक ही प्रोडक्ट के डिफरेंट वेरिएंट्स आर प्रोडक्ट बाय द सेम कंपनी. ब्रांडिंग, दैट मीन्स अंडर विच ब्रांड द प्रोडक्ट हैज बीन लॉन्च्ड. कस्टमर सपोर्ट सर्विसेज इज बेटर, जिसे आज की मॉडर्न लैंग्वेज में आफ्टर सेल सर्विसेज बोला गया है. Pricing of the product according to the competition. The product should be promoted by salespersons, advertising, and other discount and rebate schemes. Physical distribution, because channel of distribution is necessary, because have you seen notices that the tea is grown in Assam hill station and distributed in the plain animal in Rajasthan also. So that thing is possible by the physical distribution of a product. Transportation, the product transportation is a blood, because being a transportation helps in distribution of our product also, whether it is a finished good or the raw material. It can be transported from one place to another with the help of transportation. Storage and warehouse is needed, because the production made by the organization is not liquidated immediately to the public or to the in the market. They have to be stored for some time when it is a less demand. So there is to complete the demand excess demand, we have to be stored some excess goods That's why storage and warehouses compulsory. So in this way we completed some topics of our chapter number 11. Rest we will discuss in the next video. Bye bye.